Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to make the quickest and most easy pudding you will ever try. Let's see how we can make it. Okay, you have your coconut, chia seeds and vanilla. You just add the chia seeds inside, the vanilla, the maple syrup, and you just mix it. Mix it until it is well mixed together. Okay, when you mix all together, you can just drop it inside some nice cups. Just cover them and put them in the fridge for about 3 hours.
3 hours later.
There you go, this is the final result. Now that we wait 2-3 hours, even less, depends on how powerful your fridge is, you can add on the top some fruit and a bit of maple syrup, and that's it. Our pudding is ready.